Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Chinchilla Magistrates Court. Client was charged with drug driving. There's two types of drug driving. The more serious is what's known as drive under the influence of a drug, meaning you're actually high on drugs. The lesser charge is drive whilst relevant drug present, meaning you've consumed it at some point, the effects have worn off and you're no longer high, but there's traces of it still in your system, and you've been detected having it in your system during a roadside saliva test. Worst case scenario is a 9-month loss of licence. Mandatory minimum is 1 month. If you haven't lost your licence in the last 5 years and you're driving a vehicle to which a zero blood alcohol limit does not apply, and you satisfy a number of other hurdles, you can apply for what's called a drug driving work licence. But given my client today was intercepted while driving a prime mover, which is a vehicle to which a zero blood alcohol concentration applies, he was not eligible to apply for a drug driving work licence. So my job was one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible. Look, as I said, he was intercepted driving a Kenworth prime mover, found to have methamphetamine ice in his system. Basically, he rang me. I got him to undertake some reformatory courses, got him to get some character references based on a template that we provide our clients. I drafted detailed written and verbal submissions in support of the submissions I was going to make today at court. So obviously, well, look, he was a self-employed truck driver, so obviously as a self-employed truck driver, you know, if you're off the road, you're not earning money, so it was imperative that I got the disqualification down as low as possible. But being a self-employed truck driver, you know, applying for contracts, you know, frequently, a lot of the time with your big transport organisations, where you've got to disclose your traffic history, he was petrified about the recording of a conviction. So as much as my job was one of getting the disqualification down as low as possible, it was also one of trying to get get no conviction recorded. Drug driving, it's not a criminal matter, it's a traffic matter. All you ever get is a traffic conviction, but that alone can you know, throw the spanner in the works for a lot of you know, job applications and people's futures moving forward. So there was never going to be a criminal conviction, it was only ever going to be a traffic conviction, but the client nonetheless was wanting me to push for no conviction recorded, and that's what I did. So as a part of that, I prepared detailed submissions in support of that angle of my submission, as well as the fact that he should get as low a disqualification as possible. For those who don't know, Chinchilla, it's about a 4-hour drive west of Brisbane. I came up yesterday afternoon, met the client this morning at court. We grabbed a, well, for want of a better word, conference room, basically a bench, because there's not much else here in that regard. Ran through my submissions, ran through the procedure, what he can expect the prosecutor to say, what he can expect myself and the magistrate to say. We went in, I did, as I said, make my submissions to the magistrate. I won't say they needed to be forceful. The magistrate was quite receptive to what I was saying, but I did need to give quite a bit of depth to my submissions, you know, just rocking up and saying, you know, that one isn't the way to get the outcome you want. You need to basically take away all the reasons for a magistrate to say no, so there's nothing left to say but yes. And there's a number of strategies and sort of methods that I've, you know, learnt over the years that, I mean, it's the powers of persuasion at the end of the day. My job is one of persuading the magistrate to give an outcome close to what I'm submitting is appropriate. Look, the long and short of it is I was successful on both fronts. I was able to persuade the magistrate to give the mandatory minimum 1 month disqualification. So my client received a 1 month disqualification starting immediately, so literally as soon as the words leave the magistrate's mouth. Obviously in a month he'll go to Queensland Transport, renew his licence and be back on the road. And of equal importance, I was also successful in persuading the magistrate not to record a conviction. So 1 month disqualification, no conviction recorded. Client's obviously very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the wise man team get you back on the road.